Anyway, today I get to go look at the work that's been done and where I would be calling my home for the next few years. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I don't know, I'm jittery. But above all, I'm so grateful for the opportunity to elevate my life, for the opportunity to be able to gift myself something like this, for the opportunity to change my life. It's amazing. So yes, I'm nervous, but let's go see. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see.
Oh my guys, this is so beautiful to watch. As I watch this video now, so tap I just they do. This Isime's mansion is so fine and the interior decorator finish work. Oh make her allow na make una watch am.
Cindy, they bring the heat, never out of flow. For all the gist you need, she's the one to know. Cooking shots fresh like the rising sun. If you got ears, better tap in, let's have fun. Acroco Cindy, bringing it alive. Every story hits hard, making us thrive from here to there. She's got that show for entertainment vibes. Let's go, let's go. All the stars shine bright, she's catching them all. Never missing the juice, standing tall. From the movie screens to the music lows.
Who talk say girl child no be pikin? Make the person come see. This is a testament that God is good. Like, as I see this Isime's mansion, I just open mouth, they shout, say God when? Say na my fellow woman be this, when I go gather my own. Hello. This her mansion is so fine. I love the interior. Like, the interior designers did a very good job. Kudos to them. Really they easy. Okay guys, if you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for the like, comment, share. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I drop videos on my platform, you'll be the first to be notified. My name is still Cindy Gist TV. You are a boyhead girl. We know they too. Hello guys, see you guys on my next video. Do stay safe out there. I love you all so much, my top fans, everybody. Thank you so much for engaging. See you guys on my next video. Bye.